Want to know how to see your job matches in Guru.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Guru.com website. So we have also created some videos regarding Guru.com, which is on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once you're under Guru.com, you should be on the dashboard by default. So if you're not, make sure you are on the dashboard. This is where you access your job matches. So job matches are pretty important because it helps you in getting the jobs that is equal to your experience and the type of work that you like. We can just simply select job matches. It should be under find works right here. So you can just simply select here or directly select job matches right here. So now once I selected that, your job matches should pop up right here according to experience. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you next one.